Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another episode. Today we are at a very nice village called the Space Tree, and I'm of course here again with lovely Pinky.
Hello, welcome to Mabprachan and Siam Country Club area. Here we 50 meters to Mabprachan Lake, so it's on the main road of Mabprachan and close to the park.
Very close to the lake, and then also they have a very nice bicycle lane all around 10 kilometers around the lake, and of course close to all the international schools.
Rugby region from here around 10 minutes to both of these big international schools.
And behind us is a beautiful villa. How many bedrooms?
5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. Land space 180 sq.wah, so around 700 square meter of land space. Living space 670 square meter, 2-story.
Very nice. And the villa comes fully furnished with a beautiful garden around. But I think without further ado, let's have a look inside. Follow us. Alright, once you enter here from the main entrance door, you have like a very nice garden to the right. Huge swimming pool, outdoor terrace space, sunken beds as well, like a sunken sofa. And to the left-hand side will be 2-car garage, and we have here like a rolling shutter gate, right?
Of course, with the remote control.
We also have like an EV charger,
yes.
and over here we have some like a more storage for like a cleaning or gardening stuff. Nice feature, like all this LED under the stairs. To the terrace we have olive tree, which if you know in Thailand, not easy to get olive trees.
Nice and expensive. You have main entrance over there to the house, password fingerprint, and this one is the terrace.
I like that they have like a big outdoor space here for like a sunbed, sunken sofa space.
Nice for your party.
This one is actually also a must, I believe, because
It's nice,
it's
huh?
nice that it's like an outdoor dining area and it's also covered. So basically, even if it's raining, you can sit like all day outside here and have like a lunch or dinner.
And you can invite friends, of course, for the barbecue.
Over here, we even have sink. Probably you can put fridge for some drink. You have also ceiling fan.
You have one guest toilet here outside.
And you even have more garden space on the back side of the house.
Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go?
This is the main entrance with the wood door. Finger scan. No, I think it's not first. I need to buy first and then I can set up the finger scan.
Nice here. Have like a shoe cabinet, a bench to sit down and put on your shoes.
Yes, this one even more beautiful. Look at that. Brand name shoe cabinet. I mean, like if you buy this house, I'm sure that you have more money to buy a brand name and nice shoe to put it here.
Once you enter here is like the main dining and living room, and you see here we have this huge chandelier. The ceiling is 8 meters high. Here we have a dining table enough for 8 persons in total. Or you can put one more here, the guy who pays.
Nice, and of course you have European kitchen here.
And I like that it's integrated here with kitchen counter. Everything comes together, the dining table together with the kitchen counter. So basically someone can stand here and just serving the drinks right to the
idea.
dinner table.
Quite nice. See? So many function of the water.
I guess this one is the soap, this one is good
Oh, the
question. This one is for drinking water,
This one for temperature.
for temperature.
Wow.
Anyway, this is high-tech thing, so we need to read the manual first before we can use it.
Okay. And on the back you have fridge, oven, microwave, hot food for cooking. So basically you can also cooking for prepare small breakfast maybe.
And everything from Hefele, German brand, good quality. And here below the counter we also have much more storage for like a cutlery, large refrigerator, always good to have it. This one is also very important to have it as well, because here we have bar area with a wine fridge,
And
wine
a lot of
cabinet,
wine.
additional wine cabinet, and then
cellar.
one wine fridge, very nice. Everything built in, of course. And
Yes.
here you have all like your champagne glasses and also some gin. You can go here to the Thai kitchen.
Oh, this one, I love it. You have space again for your Thai cooking mat. This is really nice, quite functional, I would say. So you have Thai kitchen, you can cook European food, you can cook Thai food, and they have a lot of space, L-shaped. You have even more equipped of oven, microwave, fridge, gas stove.
On the back you have outdoor space for drying clothes and washing clothes. Some more space here.
And you have laundry room and maid room as well.
Exactly, can just access from the back.
Now we come back to living zone
Nice big L-shaped sofa.
with big coffee table. You have ceiling, aircon, fan as well.
So you can choose if you want to use on both. And then we have built-in TV cabinet, also interesting design, glass panels. No, I think cannot open. So this one, large TV, good space here for the TV. You can also access directly to the swimming pool that way. What's nice that you also have bedroom here on the ground level, like a
Yes.
guest bedroom.
Exactly, or if you have elderly people like your parents, they can also stay here. You can even go out from the bedroom to the swimming pool.
That
terrace.
is nice. This one is also like a quite big space here, actually king size bed as well. Everything with built-in headboard and bedside tables, TV counter, TV, built-in wardrobe. Not too big, but I mean like for guests also sometimes you don't want them to stay for too long. We have here like an ensuite bathroom.
You have shower room, toilet and sinks. The color come with light brown.
Kind of earthy tone colors. And also here, they put always the LED below the bed. It looks nice. And also the bedside tables. So coming back, actually staircase to the second floor. But over here we have another like a utility room. So here will be all like a electric, and the house comes also with solar panels, 11 kilowatt solar panels. So you can already save on the electricity bill.
Guest toilet. This one for use inside the house, like a guest toilet inside. No shower.
Here we are again at the staircase. More storage below the stairs, so it's also nice to have this additional storage space. But I think now let's have a look on the second floor. Follow us.
On the way of staircase, you will have beautiful chandelier.
I think we go first to those bedrooms and then the master bedroom we will show you at the end, so stick around. Also another like a guest or child bedroom.
With the king size bed built-in, all the headboard built-in. The house includes all wallpapers.
Yes, everything comes here with like a nice wallpaper, TV cabinet, TV. On this side we also have some more space for like a vanity table or working desk, because you also have like electric socket. Here built-in wardrobes. Every bedroom comes also with an ensuite bathroom with a rain shower, toilet and like a nice sink. To our left will be another bedroom. Now bedroom number 3.
3.
This bedroom even bigger than the other ones.
Then you have more space of wardrobe.
It's a walk-in wardrobe even.
So you have walk-in wardrobe on this side.
Here you have a proper vanity table.
You have a bathroom here. Okay, the bathroom size pretty similar. The color same. You have big king size bed. Decorate for the girls, maybe if you have a daughter. This one would
Can be
fit.
good because also have walk-in wardrobe can help already. Over here is like a nice open gallery with the chandelier, and you can look down to the dinner table and the living room.
My favorite room is working.
Oh really? Working
Yes.
room is your favorite room? Oh.
I don't like to work much actually, but somehow just
It
this
looks
room,
nice, huh?
yeah, just this room make me feel like I want to work. It's nice because in front of you, you see big golden chandelier. On the right side, you can see throughout to the garden, and
Yeah.
on the left side, you can see also greenery area. I feel good to sit here and work, like all surrounding.
This can almost serve as like a kind of like a nice meeting room, huh?
Yes,
You can
if you
have-
add on bar a little bit somewhere on the corner, would be even better.
For the meeting room. Okay.
Exactly,
I like the
need
way you're
to-
thinking.
Need to serve some drink on meeting.
Okay. Here to our right hand side we have Japanese stone garden.
With the bamboo.
Yes, exactly. Semi-master, right?
Actually, this room also nice layout, I would say.
It's nice that they have here these huge glasses and have the view of the swimming pool.
Exactly. Somehow you have a little space for your sofa.
And then I think this one you will really enjoy.
Then you have the balcony on the side of the house. Look at that. You have diamond cabinet. So,
I think they have a CCTV here, no?
oh. I just would like to check.
Okay.
It's nice. And then you can make up here. And you have walk-in closet here.
And I always
Beautiful.
like the fact that they even put an aircon inside this walk-in wardrobe.
Actually, I think it's necessary.
It's necessary,
Very
right?
good, yes. Look, at this carpet is also fit well.
Over here we have ensuite bathroom,
Yes.
but I mean like this one have like a larger space for the shower, a bigger sink. This Japanese smart toilet.
Also in this house have smart home as well.
So you can control all the lights, the air cons, the gate, everything by the app or by the iPad, let's say.
Exactly. They have touchscreen downstairs near the staircase.
Or you just easy
App.
app or Siri.
Yeah, or you call someone, hey, can you turn on the fan or whatever.
This one is not 100% smart home, but yeah, you could do that. Now we bring you guys to the master bedroom. But before we do that, we just show this place over here.
What is that? It's the wall. What are you gonna do with that?
I just run right into the wall.
Try.
Let's see. All right.
Let's see, the wall will open or your head will open. This is nice. So you have another secret room to hide your gold, your cash.
You can stack a lot of cash in here. It's pretty big room.
So we call bank room, this one.
See, and even sometimes in a bank wall, they even don't have an aircon, but this room has an aircon. So it always keeps your cash fresh and clean.
Oh, anyway, actually this one is good for Buddha room.
Yeah, also good idea.
Otherwise it looks so dirty. Story about this house.
No.
It's Buddha room.
Okay.
Actually.
This is the master bedroom.
So comfortable. This room is really master because you have even bigger sofa. You have big TV, cabinet, big balcony. This one I want to present. I love it. You have a bathtub, round bathtub in the balconies. You can spend your day, put on hot water, and then bring the fan out also, otherwise too hot, and then relax. And you
Very
have the
nice.
view of your swimming pools and garden.
And you have a chandelier on top of your bathtub.
How luxury is that?
And I like that they have this like a wooden panels here. You can even move them to let more wind in, or if you want more privacy, you just close them. This bed, as you see, this is like a not normal size of like a king size, master king size.
Probably this one is 7 foot long.
Here you also have bedside tables built in. All this headboard comes built in. Feels like wallpaper. Nice soft touch, like a headboard here. Yes.
Yeah, I always like when they have soft touch headboard.
And even not in many master bedrooms, you have an 80-inch TV.
And this one is good too, where you have glass, sexy bathtub, where you have a glass, and then you can also even make it
I think if I
blur.
press this button, it will change.
Try.
Let me try. Yes.
Wow. One more
And
time.
then one more time. Okay. Nice.
But I
huh?
feel it's not fair that this switch is here actually.
Wait, we have a look. Maybe it's also on the inside.
It's supposed to be inside.
And we have another walk-in wardrobe. Also nice here. I like this. Master bathroom come with like a double sink. And now we need to find the switch.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. So the one who's staying in the bedroom got the control over it.
Let me check one more time.
No.
No switch.
And here also like a Japanese automatic smart toilet rain shower. Let me have a look. Okay, it's tall enough for me. Alright, so that was it about like this new village called the Space Tree.
Ultra luxury.
For this house with everything fully furnished, everything built-in comes included, how much is the price?
49 million Thai baht.
So if you're looking for a very nice villa on Mabprachan Lake, so this can probably be like a good choice. Check out our listing. Let me see if it's already on our website.
Yeah. No battery, sorry.
No battery. Oh, okay guys, but you can check out the listing on our website. We will put it in the video description below.
Yes, or easier to call us.
Call us also, always good. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to our channel and also see you on next Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye bye.